Welcome. If you want to enter one-handed mode in your ZTE Axon 11 5G, let's go for the settings, go for the features, and here tap on the one-handed mode, and as you can see right now this mode is activated. So to enter the one-hand mode, we have to tap and hold the back button, this one. So let's try. And as you can see, it's working, and right now we are in the one-hand mode. We can easily work right now with our one hand. We can easily reach every part of the screen, and we can also adjust the size of this one-hand mode, as you can see right here. And when you want to get it on the right side, for example, we have to tap on this arrow, and if you want to finish, just click on the arrow outside. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.